Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Welcome. We are here to do our Wednesday savings. At first, we are going to do, today's the 30th, correct? And tomorrow's 31st, I am going to go ahead and do both. And that has July's completed. We'll have to condense this. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31. And we are completed. So we'll have to condense that one. And we will have to start the 31st, August. There we go. And on this one, instead of emailing, she told us to email her, but I didn't. I'm just going to count the sun as 31 because she had only put 30 days on this one. And we're just going to mark the sun as 31 and we're going to let it go. So if you're interested in these challenges, head over to DonnaPoweredByCreativity.com. Okay, but first, let's do this. Let's do our mini challenges first. Have our sticky to the side. So maybe we can finish our Christmas and our 4th of July, since it's the end of the month. So we're saving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 in this one. I think there's a total of 40 between the two of them. So let's roll and see where we go. Number 2. Number 1. Number 5, there we go. Everybody's getting a little love here. Back to 1. So if we have extra on 1 and need to finish a Christmas challenge, we will go back and do it with the extra if we complete 1. And if there's extra. And 6. And I have the ones that was in here to start with before I done the 4th of July, Christmas in July ones. 6 again. 5. And 1. Okay, doke. So let's see what we have here. Okay, we only need 2 to finish our July challenge. So 10, 11, 12. There's that one. Yay, done by the end of the month. And up next, put that up there so we don't mix it up. And here's one from Lisa Grateful May. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this one is up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 3 didn't get any. Can we finish? No. Up next is number 4. Oh, let's see. I made this one. And this one right here, I said was from Lisa Grateful May. Number 3 didn't get anything. But this one is from The Secret Budgeter. Love it. So cute. And this one is from Janet over at My Modern Homestead. We're going to make each of these $2. So we're just going to make some. Oh, that's an awful dark brown. So there's that one. So head over and check out Janet over at My Modern Homestead. Okay, up next is, this is a Christmas challenge. This one is from Pansy Budgets. And she has 4. So we get to mark 2 off. 2, 4. And this one should be up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to throw in maybe Christmas here and Halloween there. And the last one is from Chief. I haven't seen any of her shorts lately, but this is Leo's Little Corner Shop. So let's see, each of these are $2, and we are going to finish this one. So let's see, what colors are we going to use? Do a blue here. And let's see, let's do a green. And these little Sharpies right here, these odd colored ones, I got these from the Dollar Tree. So this one is completed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I didn't color the center, did I? I need to color the center. Let's do the centers yellow. Yeah. So there's that one. Okay, let's see. Ooh, we have another Christmas one here. So we're going to put it in 6. And we'll put this one in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess what? Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. And we'll finish this one. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. 1 and 2. There's another one completed. And this one is up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is completed. Okay. Let's go ahead and put, well, I've already got one Christmas one going. What do we going to do? Let's see. How much are these? 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. We're going to add 2. We're going to finish this one. We're going to finish this one. The Christmas hot chocolate. And this one should have 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Okay. So that one is completed. Wasn't expecting that. So we are going to, let's see, this one is from me. And this one right here is from Budgeting with Lysandra. I love her little poo challenges. So we are just going to, I'll have to find one. And this one right here is from Budgeting with Lisa. It was I can't remember. I've had it for a little bit. I think I've had about a month and a half. But they had some kind of collab going, budgeting with Lisa, and Blessed Budgets by Abigail. So we are going to just put that one in there to work on Christmas. So that gives us 2 Christmas. I don't know. I may change that. I don't know. I'll have to find something to here. And I don't have nothing prepared for that one. So that has it for today. And looky, yay. Looking good. So hey everyone, thanks for liking, watching, commenting. And if you made it to the end, leave me a blue heart. And we'll see you in the next one. No. What am I doing? I forgot my box challenge. Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is going to be a long video. Sorry about that. I completely forgot about my box challenge. Can't forget my box challenge. I love my box challenges. We have another 20. Excuse me. Take a sip first. Try and keep them coughing. So, we need our cards. This one right here is from Oma Crafts and Budgets. And My Modern Homestead. Tanya and Janet. Head over and show them ladies some love. We're working with 20. So, let's get started. Okay, top one. The ducky is times 2, so it'll be 2 right here out in front. Here we go. Let's see, where are we going to put these? Right there. Move them back. I'm ready right there. Got my markers. Okay. Up next. Oh, search and save. Was that the one I messed up on before? Yes, it was. I did remember. This one gets 2. So they were the same. So it all works out. Oh, did you hear my dog? She's saying, feed me, mama. And we have 2 extra that was left over from last time, so maybe we can use them this time. Okay, let's see. You got mud on your boots. Save an extra $1 in section 6. So we're saving an extra $1. There's that one. She is wanting my attention. Okay, let's see. We have an umbrella. And where is it at? There it is, and it's for $1. I love this challenge. It's so cute. I don't know, I'm box challenge nuts. I still have my Halloween one sitting over here. Let's see what's next. Oh, you slipped in a mud puddle. Save an extra $1 in section 2. Section 2. Right here. So we save an extra $1. I like these little ones like that. And we have another umbrella times 2. Nope, that's not it. Where are you at? I probably looked right at him. There's the blue one. There it is. Come on. Turn. Times 2. We're saving 2. There's that one. love these challenges. I need to get started. Whoop. Need to get started. Where is our raindrop? 1, 2, 3. There we go. And another one. And this one right here is very budget friendly. And I think they're just fun and general to do. Scoot that up just a little bit. I want you to be able to see the images good. Pretty little pink umbrella. There we go. For another $1. See, they're not very high at all. So this one shouldn't take too long to complete. Up next, search and say, oh, look at this, so cute. There it is, right on top. $1. There we go. And up next, oh, I know that was coming because I've seen the color. So let's play Shut the Box. If it's not too high, we'll put the full amount in. But if something was to happen and we just roll like 2 ones, we'll just put $1 for each. Okay, let's see how it goes. A 3. It's not showing enough. Let's get the darker blue out. There we go. And a 5. And a 3. A 1 and a 2. And a 2. Let's see how much we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I guess we're done. So we have 10. And we'll color another one of these in. There we go. And we will put 10 in this one. I won't go through and count them this time. And we will stick that puppy back in the deck. And we have yet to get this one right here, Roll and Save. I think there's a card in there for it. I may ought to check and see. So, most everybody got some love in this one. I may have to go through and condense a few. Number 3 didn't. No, I don't think 3 got anything this time. Number 2. And number 1. And that has it this time for today. Thanks so much for being here. I so appreciate it. Let me do this so you can see that. So, everyone have a wonderful, blessed day. If you would, leave me a blue heart in the comment. And let me know you made it to the end. It's definitely the end this time. So, thanks for being here. Bye.